Alright guys, morning to all of you guys. So today we have a customer here that we're gonna be pressure washing their pool cage, their pool deck, and also their driveway. The pool cage right here. So we're gonna be getting all the outside area. As you can see, the mold growing on the screens and on the edges. This is a painted floor deck, so we do not want to pass the surface cleaner on it. When we pass the surface cleaner, we're going to end up peeling the paint. The customer did say he wants to repaint it, but it's actually better recommended to soft wash it, so like that stays nice and clean for him, and then he can repaint over the clean surface. The moment you pass a surface cleaner, if I was to pass a surface cleaner, I'll actually end up chipping, well, peeling a lot of the paint off, and there'll be chips of paint all at the bottom part of the screen, and that is tough to get out. That is really tough. So the smartest way, soft wash the deck, and then for the customer to repaint over the clean deck. Alright guys, this is the area. See, throw some chemical there, get all that cleaned out, and then from there move on to the driveway. Beautiful home, by the way. Alright, let's get to it.